How to remove fabric softener stains. Fabric softener makes clothing soft and fresh, but it can also leave greasy, looking stains in its wake. Fortunately, in most cases the stains are simple to remove with soap and water, so they're almost never permanent. Next time you do your laundry, take a few extra measures to prevent future fabric softener stains from occurring. Part 1. Removing light stains. 1. Wet the stain on your clothing with warm or hot water. Check the tag and use the hottest water safe for the item of clothing you're treating. If you're supposed to wash the garment using cool water only, use cold water instead so you won't warp your clothing. 2. Grab a plain bar of soap. Choose a white bar that doesn't contain dyes, scents, lotions, or other additives. You want plain, old-fashioned bar soap. If you don't have a plain bar of soap on hand, try the following. A few drops of dish soap. A few drops of shampoo. A few drops of body wash. 3. Rub the stain with the soap. Press the soap firmly onto the stain and rub it back and forth so that the soap gets embedded in the clothing fibers. If you're using dish soap, shampoo, or body wash, use your finger to rub the soap into the stain. 4. Wash the garment in your washing machine. Use the type of cycle appropriate for the garment you're using. Don't add fabric softener this time. 5. Dry the garment as normal. Once the drying cycle is finished, the stain should be completely gone. If you still see a fabric softener stain, repeat the process. Part 2. Removing stubborn stains. 1. Wet the stain on your clothing with warm or hot water. Check the tag and use the hottest water safe for the item of clothing you're treating. If you're supposed to wash the garment using cool water only, use cold water instead so you won't warp your clothing. 2. Rub liquid detergent into the stain. Concentrated liquid detergent is powerful stuff, and it should take the stain right out. Use it only for fabric softener stains that are especially large or stubborn. 3. Let it soak. Leave the garment for a few minutes to let the detergent soak into the stain as a type of pre-treatment. 4. Wash the garment in the hottest water that is safe. Use hot water if possible, but if the garment says cold water only, you'll have to go with that to prevent damage from occurring. Add the same detergent into the washing machine that you used for pre-treatment of the stain. 5. Dry the garment as normal. Once the drying cycle is finished, the stain should be completely gone. If you still see a fabric softener stain, repeat the process. Part 3. Preventing fabric softener stains. 1. Follow the instructions on the back of your fabric softener. Many stains occur as a result of improperly following instructions. If you use too much fabric softener, for example, the residue could end up leaving stains. 2. Consider diluting your fabric softener. Concentrated fabric softener is more likely to stain than a diluted version. To dilute, pour your fabric softener into the dispenser, then pour in the same amount of water, such as 1 capful. The diluted softener won't leave a residue on your clothes. 3. Don't pour it directly onto your clothes. If your washing machine doesn't have a dispenser, wait until the machine has filled with water before adding the fabric softener. Pouring it over dry clothes will be more likely to leave a stain. 4. Use white vinegar as a natural fabric softener. It does the same job without leaving stains. Just pour a cup of white vinegar into the fabric softener dispenser when you do your laundry. The smell will go away after your wash and dry cycles are finished. Tips: liquid dish soaps might be able to be substituted for a pure, bar soap. To avoid pouring fabric softener directly onto clothing, pour fabric softener into your machine while it is filling up with water. Let the machine agitate the water and fabric softener before you fill it with clothing for a wash. Some people apply alcohol to a sponge and rub the sponge onto fabric softener stains. While this might work on some garments, it can be harmful to others. Always be sure to check your garment's tags to see if alcohol will damage your clothing before trying this method of fabric softener stain removal. Warnings: avoid using fabric softener on clothing items that are not designed to be washed with it. Check clothing tags for washing instructions and to verify that fabric softener is safe to use with particular garments. Generally, fabric softener should not be used to wash athletic clothes, as it can compromise the clothing's function. Do not overfill your washing machine when washing clothes. Stuffing too many clothes into washing machines is a common reason why fabric softener stains appear. Avoid pouring fabric softener directly onto wet clothes. This can result in an absorption of the fabric softener into the clothes, resulting in unwanted stains. Some liquid detergents might actually set stains. Be sure to pick one that is specially formulated to help combat fabric softener stains. Using high seat settings on your washing and drying machines might contribute to the appearance of fabric softener stains on your clothing.